buying USDT using the Cashapp is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the same Lake's website. Once you get into its side, tap to select currency. After selecting the currency, select the payment method, then tap on the payment method and search for the Cashapp. Here then pick up the Cashapp option as your payment method and click to search for it. So basically, to buy Tether you have to sign up to your account and your crypto wallet will be generated automatically. So browser offers in your account. After that, open up a trade. Now get your Tether TRC20. Once the trade is open, you can view payment details and communicate with the seller in chat. When the payment has been completed, select the money is transferred button. The seller will verify the payment and release Tether TRC20 to your wallet instantly.